Hi viewers, in this video I am going to explain about the concept of allow edit ranges. Click on Review tab. Under the Protect group, here we can find the option allow edit ranges. This option enables the user to protect the defined range and allows pre-mention the user to edit those ranges. Let us see how to use this option. First click on allow edit ranges. Here we can find box which consists of headers as title and refers to cells. So whatever the ranges mentioned by the user, those ranges are unlocked by a password when the sheet is protected. Now click on New. New range dialog box displayed on the screen. In that we can find title, refers to cells and range password. So here I am mentioning the title which is named as RNG1. Thereafter here I define the range as F2 to F7. Next I am providing the password. Before click on OK, let us see about the permissions button. This one is advanced one. So in that dialog box, we can mention the usernames to whom user is going to give permissions to edit those ranges. If you want to mention the username, click on Add. Here we can provide their names. Click on OK. Here application is asking re-enter the password. Click on OK. Next I am going to add one more range. Click on New. Here I am mentioning the password. Click on OK. After defining the ranges, click on Apply. Next, click on Protect Sheet. Click on OK. Re-enter the password. So after protecting the worksheet, let us see how to edit these ranges. So here I am trying to enter some data, but application is not allowing as it is password protected worksheet. Click on OK. So in the defined range, I am going to enter some data. So it is asking some password to unlock the range. So unless providing the password, it doesn't allow the user to edit that range. Now I am going to edit the second range. So again it is asking about password. Here I have provided two different passwords for first range and second range. If I provided unique password for these two ranges, then application allows to edit the data directly. But in this scenario, I have provided two different passwords. Hence, I am providing second range's password. Click on OK. Now I am able to edit the data in second range. Here we can observe, even though we have provided the password to those two ranges, application not allowing to enter the data in the remaining cells. Currently, allow edit ranges option is not yet highlighted. So to activate that one, click on Unprotect Sheet. Here I am providing the password. Click on OK. Now we can find allow edit ranges option enabled. Next, let us see how to modify the password and how to modify the defined ranges. Click on allow edit ranges option. Under the new, here we can find one more button, which is named as modify. Here we can increase or decrease the range based on our requirement. If you want to modify the password, click on password. Here I am providing new password. Click on OK. Even though we can modify the permissions, click on OK. And the next one is delete option. So if the user wants to delete those ranges, search the range and click on delete. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now we can directly modify those ranges. So purpose of allow edit ranges is to provide password protection to the defined ranges and allows only predefined users to edit those ranges. To enable this option, user has to protect the worksheet. So this is the brief introduction about allow edit ranges option. If you like this content, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.